All right, so let's play a quick game. I am going to show you the titles of 3 real Airbnb listings. Now, y'all, these are the same neighborhood and they're the same price range. And I want you to tell me which of these would you actually click on? And if you're like most guests, you probably picked this one, listing C. And you likely clicked on this one, y'all, not because it's cheaper, not because it probably had better photos, but because the title helped you make the decision. And if you click C, you actually just demonstrated how quickly the human brain makes a decision on which listing to click on. So I want you to remember this, your title, it is actually not just a string of text. It is the magnet that helps draw people to your listing. It really is the reason why some folks are going to stop and look at your listing, or really why some others might just continue to scroll on by. And in this video, I want to help you learn how to write titles that stop the scroll, dominate in the search results, and make your property feel like the obvious choice before guests even get to the photos. By the way, I'm Seft. I'm one of the co-founders of the Innkeepers Collective. We hosted thousands of guests across multiple cities. We earn about $1 million each year on Airbnb, and helping you launch and grow profitable Airbnbs is what we do best. So Airbnb's own data backs this up. So listings with stronger titles, y'all, help you get 30% more clicks than others with much weaker titles. And what this means for you is actually more folks stopping to look at your listing, which leads to increased bookings and increased revenue. But here's the thing, most hosts will actually miss this completely. They either write titles that are too generic, or they try to stuff the title full of features. And both of these things have a negative impact on your click-through rate. And research by leading psychologists helps to explain this. It turns out that when guests scroll through dozens of listings, their brains actually get overwhelmed. Think of it, it's kind of like those moments when you stand in front of a McDonald's menu with 50 different combos to choose from. It actually is too many choices, and for us, it's just too much noise. And that sense of overwhelm triggers what psychologists call decision fatigue, or really just the brain's way of saying, this is too hard and I'm just going to skip this. And y'all, our brains actually seek out shortcuts. Our brains seek clarity, relevance, and trust. And so that's why your listing has a single job: reduce friction and make your listing the easy and obvious choice. And here in a moment, I'm going to dive into the 3 rules that helps you pull this all together. But before I do, I want to share a resource that helps to make this a lot easier. And it's actually a simple guide that helps you rewrite your listing title in just a few minutes. These are the same rules that I'm going to cover in this video, and you can go and grab it down below. And shortly after this video is over, you'll be able to put it into action, sharpen your listing, and begin to increase your bookings. All right, let's go and dive into the 3 rules that helps you improve your titles. Because guess what, y'all? Writing a great title isn't actually about being clever. It really is about being clear, clickable, and curiosity driven. I call these the 3 rules for scroll stopping titles. So here's the first rule. Let's focus on clarity. And when guests scroll through Airbnb, their brain has one goal: reduce uncertainty and find somewhere to stay. And they're trying to figure out pretty quickly what actually makes your space the obvious choice to click on. So clarity will always win over being clever. Now, let's look at this in practice. Here are 2 examples. The first example, cozy hideaway with modern vibes, versus the second example, private 1-bedroom with parking near Beltline. Now, I also have to admit, that first title sounds a little bit cute, but it actually really doesn't tell us that much. Whereas the second title tells you exactly what you're going to get with this listing. And that is clarity at work. It is actually what makes guests click on your listing. And if this feature is allowed in your market, you'll want to bold the first 3 words of your title, because roughly 80% of folks that are scrolling through, they're really just skimming. Now, let's continue on to rule number 2. And guests aren't simply just browsing through the listings. They're actually looking for something that reminds them of themselves, something that actually feels familiar. And psychologists refers to this as the relevance bias. And it simply means that we notice things that match our own needs and our own identity. Now, let's look at 2 examples of this. The first example, trendy loft in Midtown versus stylish Midtown loft perfect for remote workers. And that second example is a little bit better because it instantly connects with a specific group of folks who are seeking to book your property. It is not just describing the space, it is actually reflecting back who the space is perfect for. And y'all, we've actually tested this with two identical listings, same photos and same price. And the version that spoke directly to remote workers, well, y'all, that one got 37% more clicks within a 2-day period than the one that left that off. And in addition to speak to a specific group that you're trying to attract, you also want to make sure that your listing includes the top local draw in your town. Because listings that leave that off will actually get less clicks and less bookings than those who mention and really elevate the top draw from your town. And let's move on to rule number 3. And this rule is really about curiosity. Now, not just curiosity for curiosity's sake, but actually controlled curiosity. And here what you want to think about is your goal is actually to create intrigue while not confusing guests along the way. And I'm someone who loves to cook, so I think of curiosity almost like the way that I think of seasoning. It really helps to enhance the flavor of your food, but too much of it could actually ruin the dish. So let's look at an example. Check out this title: Hidden Gem Near Piedmont Park, Private Deck Plus Views. And here's why this title actually works. It teases something unique, but it stays grounded in clarity, while also making your guests curious without making them guessing about what they're going to get by clicking on your listing. So now that you have the 3 rules, here is a simple formula that help you tie it all together. It is called the 2-1-1 rule. And here's how it's applied. Every single high-performing Airbnb title includes 2 functional details for clarity, like your location or key feature. They also include 1 emotional word that adds personality, such as modern or cozy or luxury. And then they also include 1 curiosity hook that makes people lean in, something that sets your listing apart. So here's an example of what I mean. So instead of 2-bedroom apartment in Midtown with parking, try modern Midtown stay, free parking, walk to the Beltline. This is the same number of words, but it's actually completely different impact. It is clear, specific, and emotional. And that actually is the formula that often earns the click. And once you spend a little time working with this formula, perfecting it, you're going to start spotting this pattern in every top ranking Airbnb title. And once you see it, you can actually unsee it. And now you'll also know how to use it in your own listing. And now that you know both the rules as well as the framework, let's go and test them against some real listings to see how they perform. So let's break down a few examples. So here's listing A, modern downtown loft with city views. Now y'all, this is actually kind of clean. It's somewhat descriptive. It's not bad, but it's actually missing that emotional hook, that thing that pushes the viewers across the finish line to spend more time looking at your listing. Now let's look at listing B, City Oasis, walk to Beltline, private patio. Now this one actually nails all 3 rules and follows the 2-1-1 pattern perfectly. And so if I had to pick one, it would be listing B. It really is the clear winner here. And here's something you can do today. You can test your own title in a Facebook group, or you can actually test it using one of the ChatGPT prompts I include in the Power Prompt Pack. And whichever one gets the most positive reaction, that is the one that is most likely to work on Airbnb. So whether you're just rewriting your first title, or maybe you're just optimizing one that is already live, remember y'all, you're not just describing your property, you're actually helping a viewer make a decision. And when your title does its job, guests aren't just clicking on your listing, they're actually booking your listing with confidence. And if this video has actually helped you to see your title differently, I want to invite you to hit the like button. It helps other hosts find this video on YouTube. And make sure you hit subscribe, because I produce videos like this every single week to help you Airbnb hosts improve your listing and actually grow your revenue on Airbnb. So go and hit subscribe. And so now you actually know how to write titles that stops the scroll. These are titles that gets clicked because they're clear, they're relevant, and curiosity driven. But here's the truth. A great title only does half of the job, because once someone clicks, what they see next decides the entire thing. And your listing really only has 2 jobs. Make it easy for guests to say yes to your listing, and make it easy for them to leave glowing 5-star reviews. And if your title is the thing that gets guests in the door. It is the two other jobs that makes them stay and actually make your income consistent month after month. So click here to watch this next video where I will show you exactly those two jobs and how to get them right, and how small fixes in your setup can transform your entire Airbnb business. Because look, when you pair what you've learned in this video with that one, y'all, you're gonna be ahead of 90% of the other hosts in your market. Click here to watch this next video.